SAMR Inc. President Albert Boufarah announces a prompt, efficient way of collecting electronics. If your business, school, medical office, or municipality has equipment taking up valuable space and is in need of a prompt cleanup solution, count on Supreme Asset Management and Recycling, SAMR Inc., to get the job done. While many companies in the industry have come and gone over the years, Lakewood, New Jersey-based SAMR Inc. has over 20 years of reliable experience in the business, providing consistent and dependable electronics pickup and recycling service to municipalities, businesses, hospitals, and schools all around New Jersey and throughout the Northeast from New Hampshire to Virginia. Founded by Albert Boufarah over 20 years ago, SAMR Inc. was established with the mission of providing a service that filled a large void at the time while doing its part to improve the world around us and recycle potentially hazardous equipment responsibly. We are one of the few companies in New Jersey that is licensed to demanufacture electronics, and nothing that enters our facility ends up in a landfill, said Boufarah. SAMR Inc. helps to simplify the recycling process for all by notifying its customers that it takes anything with a plug or battery. That runs the gamut from computers, monitors, and printers to smartphones, video game systems, and even air conditioners. A complete list of what they accept for recycling can be found at samrinc.com/electronics recycling pickup service. With spring now upon us, more people are in the mindset of cleaning up their surroundings, and that includes having their obsolete electronics picked up for recycling. Don't get left out in the rain. Contact SAMR Inc. now at 866-509-7267 or at www.samrinc.com to schedule a pickup.